good.
Returning 3R tie
Space
traffic,
spine
now
all the way down.
diverting to bays 3Q and S. Local deck support will augment adjacent teams.
I can take the 5 this way. Yeah, let's go. Center line, one behind the other one, all 5. So
Twos?
Yeah, get up here. Nope, I said against the wall, single file, against the wall. You're gonna follow them.
So, you've been left behind. Go.
Do we have any questions? No questions? Great. I didn't want to. It's my phone. How many? 5. 5. I need 2 more on blue, 3 on red. 2 more on blue, 3 on red, 1, join them on red. Now, resistance sympathizers, the colors that you have just been assigned, memorize them quickly as that is the color you are going to in your cell. Red, lead the way. Blue, I would trust you to lead the way, but I don't. Blue, come on. Orange, be in the back right. Silver, you'll be in the front left. Front right. Apologies. Now, if you are wearing a bag, take it off. If you are wearing anything on your head, take it off. All other loose items,
Prisoners are secure.
I'm the biggest. You like to be the biggest. I am the biggest.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Honey biscuits are gagged.
Couple minutes tops.
No es la misma habitación porque antes estábamos sellados. Entonces el sol estaba allá y nosotros estaba allá.
Back. Silver in the front, orange in the back. Make sure we're going back.
We have the recruits.
Wait,
You're still here? Ho's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Tengan las manos a sus pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Excellent, thank you. And my front row, pull me a little tab. On your right hand side. Arms up, everybody. Pop arms up, arms all the way up. And arms down. Please watch your left hand side. These doors are closing. One moment. Watch out on your left hand side. They should close now. Perfect. Please hold on to any loose items.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner. We have a breach against section 1-3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's breaking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod is just below us. Wait, why are you going up? Sit down. Up is bad. Up is real bad. Hi, guys.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I had that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
Should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors. Okay, hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. Your eyes on 2 pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
You got first order patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see them. We're keeping to the tree line.
All teams, be advised. Lieutenant Beck is still unaccounted for. Consider this a priority recovery.
Command, we're picking up a signal from Lieutenant Beck's pod. It's coming across encrypted.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.